Recording now. We are now recording. So I've got a stuck action here. This is a stock motor. Full bunch faster open motor. Coming down straightaway. Got to plan the jump here a little bit. Got to hit the down slope. Get a second bounce otherwise. Step up jump. Can make it with a good motor or a good run. Good motor run. 1, 2. A little bit better that time, not really. Could have been.
I was trying the inside.
That's a good way to do it. You have to step up again. This is the regular way to run the track. Pretty cool way to run the track, really.
With a big motor, you can make it every time.
There you go. Fly all the way corner, the good motor there. All the way corner.
Well, here's a freestyle ride.
Whoa. Mini rolls. Mini rolls. Got the roller contest. Good enough. Moving all around the place. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Freestyle.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Like that?
Yeah, I better try it again. Good enough, huh?
Good enough.
One more time. Up and down, down.
Oh, I'm done.